Oh no, did the bird go away already?
Yeah, they don't stay long if there's no feed.
Aw. Darn it. Sorry guys, I thought I had a bird for you, so I guess I'm gonna... Oh, nope, there he is.
You got the silk feeder still?
No, he's right there. No, the raccoon ripped it out like a couple days ago.
Is that the second one?
No, the second one's still in the fridge. I didn't want to use the second one until we get rid of the raccoon. Or like move him over to a new place. Okay, the bird's under here, but look guys. Bubby sees him. And he's watching diligently. You want to see the bird again? Let's see. He's just behind the barbecue. Try to see where he's bouncing. Oh, there he is. You see him, guys? There he is. Oh, he's eating seeds that fell off. There's some down there, but not very much. Oh, look at you going to eat. Oh, yes. And guys, still, he waits. He waits in thought. Whatever shall I do? I just got dripped on. Now I must try to figure out my plan. Sorry guys. Let's see if we can find the bird. Where'd the birdie go? Did he go up there? That's moving. Maybe he already left. But yeah, we got one bird left. Yay. Alright guys. See you in a bit. Or yeah, next video. Or yeah, love you. Bye.